Hello, this is Pooja PS. I am pursuing BE in Information Science at Channabasweshwara Institute of Technology. Today I am going to teach about printing the leaf node of binary search tree. So this is the algorithm that we follow to print the leaf nodes of the tree. This is the example tree that I am considering here. Here 1 is the root node, 2 and 3 are the child nodes of 1, 4 is the child node of 2, 5 and 8 are the child nodes of 3, 6 and 7 are the child nodes of 5, 9 and 10 are the child nodes of 8. So in this tree 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10 are the leaf nodes. So these are the nodes that we want to print here. So these are the nodes. So coming to algorithm, here the first step is we are checking if the given node is null or not, and if the node is null then we are returning from that function. And the second step is if the node is not null, we are checking whether it's a leaf node or not. If it is a leaf node, then we are printing its data, and if it is not a leaf node, then we are checking whether it is having the left and right child, whether it exists or not. If its left and right child exists, then we are calling the function for the left and right childs of the node recursively. So this is the algorithm. Coming to the code, C++ code, here as usual we are creating a structure, and this is the data field where it points to where it stores the data of the node. And we are creating two left and right pointers to point to the left and right childs of the node. And this is the function that we use to print the leaf nodes. So in here, firstly we are checking whether the root node is null, and if the node is null, we are returning, as I told in the first step of the algorithm. And next we are checking if the left child exists. So if left child exists and the right child exists, so this is the code we are checking, that is whether the node is leaf node or not. And here we are checking whether the left child exists. This is we are checking for left child, and here we are checking for the right child. And if child exists, this will repeat recursively. And this is the function for creating the nodes, new node. Here we are pointing the data, we are storing the data in the data field, and we are assigning null value to the left and right childs. So this is the driver program, that is the main function. Here we are creating the binary tree as I showed in the diagram, that is 1 is the root node, and these 2 and 3 are the child nodes of 1, and 4 is the child node of 2, and 5 and 8 are the child nodes of 3, and 6 and 7 are the child nodes of 5. Here we can see the code, and 9 and 10 are the child nodes of 8. Then we are calling the print leaf node function, that is we call this function, and these leaf nodes will be printed, that is 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10 will be printed here. So this is the output that will get 4, 6, 7, 9 and 10. Thank you.